Oh, yeah, no,
which adds a terrible Chicago neighborhood to the game, or these Breadstone blocks.
That question's been on my mind for a long time now. Whenever people talk about SpongeBob's real ending, the obvious answer is the 2004 movie. That was the stopping point the original team had in mind before the show just kept going. So then I started thinking differently. Did they ever do something like that again? Like an episode from the regular show? Something that could serve as the finale for the journey?
I'll first look through everything Spirit has to offer, and at the end search for what remains of Party City.
Goo goo gaga!
Drinky and Chompy Chasey.
Like, bro, my world is totally normal. Servant, come down. I need a snack.
Said I am not gay! Real mashup pack. Today we're exploring this entire nostalgic map. My goal being to collect all the 12 music discs, all of them being gatekept by buildings with puzzles that I will have to solve. And that will not be easy since I added various horror mods that even mess with my PC.
Absolutely convinced is getting into the next game. And most of them are wrong.
Gosh! Dude, the thing is so loud.
Wait to watch the Super Bowl. I know, Dad, it's gonna be amazing. Hey, Morton, did you get all the snacks? Yes, yeah.
No!
Right.
I'm gonna rip those lips off your mouth if you even think about it!
And nail it to my door! Worms!
Good. I'm the richest in the village. Nothing bad ever happens anymore. I got a chaotic up villager. Man, it's kind of boring though. I'll never have an adventure like this again. Yo, what the heck's that sound?
Finally the day! Whoa! Did you finally get your first period? What? No, ew, what the heck? What gender do you think I am? Square?
Aggie? The birds need bears! Oh, Goldilocks. And the three bears! Oh god, they're in our food! Teddy grams, gummy bears!
Castle and drink some 2% milk.
I like that! Woo! I'm in this movie too! Hey, get out of here! Junior, absolute cinema.
And go to the timestamp right here.
Volume warning.
It's used to be that. It's used to be all. Courage to dream. It's used to
We could go on.
I can't do this anymore.
Not named Mario.
I like that sassy moment.